Hi, how are you doing? My name is Jaishree Bipin Chandra, or I'm better known as Teacher Jai. I teach in College Tingkatan 6 Tun Fatimah Durian Daun, Melaka. I teach Malaysian University English tests for Form 6 students or even matriculation and those who wish to improve their English language proficiency. Every Wednesday, I'll be posting up videos on how to answer Muet questions successfully, and that's where I'll be giving you lots of tips and strategies. Some of my lessons will be based on themes that we find in Muet questions, as well as for the teachers. I have special videos for you to use technological tools for better classroom engagement. And for those housewives out there, if you love vegetarian recipes, I will also be posting some interesting, easy to make recipes for you to try at home. So do press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and do comment on the link below. Thank you so much and have a lovely day, all of you. Take care. Bye.